After telling you the counting numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers or integers, I just would like to tell you what are the operations, or in fact I am interested to explain you how the rational numbers have been developed. So in order to tell you what are the rational numbers and how these rational numbers have been developed, it is very important here to understand we have four basic operations in mathematics. Plus, one of the operation is the plus, minus, multiplication and division. These are the four basic operations in mathematics. If my question goes to you that if I add two natural numbers, if n1 is the first natural number, n2 is the second natural number, if I add these two natural numbers, it is always true to get their sum as a natural number. So we can say the addition of natural number is closed. It has a closed property. Similarly, if I multiply any two natural numbers, I will get again a natural number. But in case when we divide two natural numbers, it may or may not be that the division of two natural numbers may or may not be what? Natural. The result may be natural or may not be natural. How? If you say 2 and 4, if 2 is the natural number, 4 is the natural number, but when I divide 2 by 4, I will get what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not a natural number. This number is not a natural. But if I divide 4 by 2, this is a natural number because 4 by 2 is equals to 1. So what conclusion we are drawing here? We are drawing that the division of two natural numbers may be natural or may not be natural. Similarly, if I subtract two natural numbers, it may be natural or it may not be natural. Similarly, it may be natural or may not be natural. It may not be natural. So ultimately, what we can say, sum of two naturals is always natural, multiplication of two naturals is always natural. That's why addition and multiplication of natural number is always having closed property, whereas division and subtraction may be or may not be natural number. Now I will tell you about few other operations of whole numbers, etc.